I didn't time it right. They were shooting fireworks. Where'd they go? Sure didn't time it right. The minute I pushed record, it stopped. There's definitely fireworks because I heard a little sizzle. I know it's fireworks because I heard a sizzle.
I'm ready to call the bereaved family. Good. Here's your fact sheet. The name is J.D. Clancy. The address is Beverly Hills, and the bank account is $65 million. That's the name of the loved one. But as far as I'm concerned, it's J.D. Clancy.
But I knew when I do it again, I would have hit record earlier. I could have had a whole bunch all at once. Sounds like it's over here. Usually it's over that way.
The banker's married too. Sell him a six-pack. I'm not peddling plots here. The guy that sold me this property said I'd make a killing here. I may have to get any business. It's time to get established. Yes, that's what you told me when I brought you over from Bearwell.
I hate it when I can't time stuff right. There were airplanes and helicopters and everything today. Flying and everything. I only get bits and pieces of it, but can't see it. And every time I try to get something recording of fireworks, I don't get very lucky on that either. It's almost like they got a radar that I'm going to hit record. Like they got a sensor. Oh, Bill's camera. We better stop until he decides not to hit record. Okay, he's not recording. Let's shoot the fireworks. Let's fly the airplanes. This irks me.
Well, how about that chip place? I tell you what, put it in the back of the truck and cover it up with that old tarp. Yes, sir. I'll watch out for Vanny.
Come on. Shoot some more fireworks. The minute I'm going to not record, it's going to go off again. And that thing was going off like one after another. Boom, 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 sizzle, sizzle, boom, 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 sizzle, sizzle. And then I hit record and get squat.
I can feel the movement is burning its way up my legs. I gotta build me a fire break, part of my stomach.
And all I gotta do is talk about it. I'd rather have it on camera instead of talk about it. Come on.
How do you do? Is this the home, Mr. J.D. Clampett?
This is crazy.
I wonder if I might see him. I'm from Happy Valley.
Oh, sure. You want you go with me.
I'm very sorry to disturb him in his time of mourning.
Oh, that's all right. You could have them to track it down.
All right, Granny, you can stay out there if you want. It's your funeral.
Man. Give me a break, will you?